Oh!
That's good. That's she's ready.
Oh!
She is primed.
Oh!
She is primed.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm learning.
This is actually a base model Lancer. This is gonna be how you change a starter on a 2000 to 2099 Mitsubishi Lancer, because they're all the same. So the starter's right there, in there. And have you ever changed one, Ben?
That's it. That's not important.
Have you ever changed one? You've never changed a starter on a Mitsubishi Lancer?
Never.
All right, let me tell you a story. I had to change mine, all right?
Yeah? So that's what
Story time. Story time. I had to change mine.
Yeah.
The only downside about changing my starter is that I had to put it back together. And the car had to go back together. So, we're gonna show you guys how to change your starter in your Lancer. If you're wondering why this is all here, go check out how to upgrade your camshafts video.
You're gonna hear 9%.
So yeah, what we're gonna do, since I'm such a veteran at this,
Yeah.
is we're gonna go and we're gonna take off the fuel rail. We already did the liberty of addressing the injector problem. So we're just gonna go over here, this one here, and just take off that fuel rail. All right, well,
I'm gonna need to
when in doubt, pry it out.
try it out. I'm gonna
It's gonna-
get all this.
Let's go in the solution box again. You have your solution box? All right, my solution box doesn't have the pry bar. What's stopping us from taking on the fuel rail? Oh, fuel rail is here. Okay. Found what's stopping us, the injectors. So we need to take off the intake manifold first. No, the intake manifold's bolted on. We can't do that. This has to come off.
There's nothing a pry bar can't remove.
Intake manifold. All right, so intake manifold. There's bolts in there. See that? Right there. Right there.
Yeah.
Oh, she came right out.
She came right out.
She's gone now. For those that don't know what's going on, we have an extension in an extension in an extension in an extension in an extension for a nice 50 centimeters of elongation.
You can reach every bolt with this. It's good.
Oh yeah.
Mechanics will never tell you this, but this is how you
Oh,
do it.
mechanic's secret.
Yeah.
We've been in the business for several years.
Really nice.
All right, is this thing good yet? Nope, she's still in there.
But what?
Very firmly in there.
There is water in there.
Oh!
That's good. That's she's ready.
Oh!
She is primed. She is primed.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's what you want to see, really.
I hope that's water. Should probably rename this video to not changing your starter, how to disassemble
Fix everything.
a Lancer. You know what? Oh, there she blows. So once again, guys, this is all about making your workspace as clean as you can, so you have as much room to maneuver as you have. Yeah, if you have a clean workspace, your job just becomes instantly easier. This has to go. Let's try with the old lift and tug method, huh? Ready? Lift and tug. And if we just push this down like that, there you go. It's one of the fold-out models. It's one of the fold-out models.
It's when
where
you're
this
a
you
rally
go,
car.
this you can just push it right back up, just like that.
It's a rally car.
And it's one of the folding models. Now we can change our oil. Now we have perfect access to our oil filter.
So this is how you do an oil change, guys.
Oh, hey, look, there's another bolt over here for the intake. Oh,
see everything.
mystery bolt. Now we can take this out.
I told you that's what we had to do.
See, guys, it's all about cleaning your workspace. Making sure you have a clean slate to work.
Cleaning the area.
Once again, just cleaning up your workspace. Honestly, it just makes working so much more pleasant. There we go. Oh, one more down there. Beautiful. Oh, one more?
Remember the colors of the wires so you can plug it back in later?
Yeah. Okay. This one here. Beautiful. There's another injector over here.
Okay.
Another injector. There we go.
Don't need that anymore.
There we go. I think we have one more injector.
Okay.
There we go.
A lot of injectors.
And just for the sensor, the oil sensor. There we go. Beautiful.
Look at that. Look at
Now
that.
that the wire harness is out of the way, look how much room we have. Now we can move this to the side. This is just a piece of metal. We can take this out of the way. This holds the fuel rail, but we don't need this anymore. And now we have full access to the fuel rail. Look at this. Look at Ben. We got the fuel rail.
Oh, good.
Just like that.
Look at that.
With all your
Oh,
injectors.
that looks brand new. Brand new. I'm gonna reuse that.
That's delicious. Look at all these injectors. Beautiful. Oh, you want some gas? Free gas?
Oh!
Step 2.
Done.
God. All right. Oh,
That's water.
that's a vacuum line, boys.
That's a whole vacuum line. That's a starter right
And
there.
now we have access to the starter. Now this is out of the way. So why don't we go and clean up our workspace again?
Yeah, we have a lot.
Just gonna clean up the workspace. Clean up the workspace. Just gonna clean up our workspace here. Just gonna clean up the workspace. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There we go. Look at that. So now that the workspace is getting cleaned, we're just gonna clean up the workspace even more. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna clean up the workspace even more. There we
We
go.
don't need that. You
Oh, clean up the workspace. Clean workspace. Look at this. Look how clean that workspace is. We're out. She flies right out. Look at that. And there's your démarrage.
We have some warm
Starter.
We have some warm.
How you wanna Ben, we got some cleaning up to do here.
Easy. Clean up on all sides. Oh, there she goes. Now we're ready.
Oh, you know what? It might be easier if we get to the starter. If we just fold up the foldable radiator.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on a sec.
We're done anyway.
There we go.
right? So
This, now that's, we can just,
we're done anyways. So
there we go.
actually,
And she unfolds again.
it's an automatic.
Unfold. There you go. So this is your starter, guys. This is how you change your starter. And what did we learn from the camshaft video? Once you change your starter, what do you do with the other one?
We're running out of room in the back.